IPv6 Internet Protocol version 6 is the successor to IPv4, designed to provide more IP addresses. While Spectrum uses IPv6 to improve network performance, disabling it can resolve compatibility issues with older devices or applications that aren't fully IPv6 compatible. As of September 2025, Spectrum allows you to easily toggle IPv6 off via your router's web interface. Common reasons to disable IPv6 include fixing double NAT problems, VPN connectivity failures, conflicts with certain smart home devices, or resolving intermittent connection drops, especially in areas with mixed IPv4/IPv6 infrastructure. While disabling IPv6 may limit access to some newer online services, it generally doesn't affect basic internet functionality. To disable IPv6, first access your Spectrum router's settings. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.0.1 into the address bar, or the IP address specified in your router's documentation. Log in using your admin credentials, which are often admin for both username and password unless you've changed them for security. Navigate to the Settings or Advanced section, then locate the IPv6 settings in the router interface. Toggle IPv6 to the off or disabled position in the settings. Finally, reboot your router to apply the changes. After restarting, your network will rely solely on IPv4. If you encounter issues, remember you can re-enable IPv6 following the same steps. Spectrum recommends enabling IPv6 for optimal performance in the long term, but this can resolve immediate compatibility problems.